Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we turn dreams into reality. We're here today to pull back the curtain on a financial revolution, showing you how to go from $0 to $38,960, all in the span of 5 minutes. Can you imagine that kind of transformation? Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial success and let the magic of artificial intelligence lead the way? Let's dive in! Picture this. You wake up to find your bank account overflowing with cash. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But for many of us, it's just that, a dream. Everyday financial challenges keep us tethered to the ground. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and that dream vacation seems unattainable. You work hard, but your bank account seems to be stuck in a rut. It's like running on a financial treadmill, isn't it? And it's not just about money. It's about the freedom to live life on your own terms, without the constant stress of making ends meet. It's about having the means to support your loved ones and create lasting memories. It's about achieving financial independence and personal fulfillment. But fear not, because we've discovered a solution that will change the game forever. So hold on to your seats, because we're about to take you on a journey from $0 to $38,960. Introducing our revolutionary AI-powered investment algorithm. This isn't just some fancy tech jargon, it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom. So, how does this work, you ask? Picture an incredibly intelligent financial advisor who never sleeps, never takes breaks, and has the ability to process and analyze data at a speed that would make even the fastest supercomputers blush. That's what our AI does. It's constantly monitoring financial markets, crunching numbers, and making predictions. But it goes a step further. Our AI not only identifies profitable investment opportunities, but it also executes trades on your behalf. It's as if you had a Wall Street expert right in your pocket, making trades for you around the clock. This technology is built on complex algorithms and machine learning. It learns from the past, understands the present, and predicts the future. It takes into account a multitude of factors, from macroeconomic indicators to company-specific news, ensuring that every decision it makes is informed and calculated. And the best part? It does all of this with pinpoint accuracy and lightning speed. No human could ever match the efficiency and precision of our AI. It's like having a financial superpower, and it's all at your fingertips. So say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a future of abundance. With our AI magic, you're not just dreaming of financial success, you're living it. But don't just take our word for it. Hear directly from those who have harnessed the power of our AI solution to turn their financial situations around. These are actual users, real people who were once in your shoes, struggling to make ends meet. Take John, for instance. He started with nothing more than a dream and the courage to take a chance. Today, he is well on his way to financial freedom, thanks to our AI magic. Or consider Sarah, a single mother who was living paycheck to paycheck. She's now building a nest egg for her children's future. Then there's Mike, a retiree who thought his financial growth days were behind him. But our AI solution has given him a new lease on life. These are just a few of the countless individuals who have transformed their financial futures using our AI magic. So, what are you waiting for? This is your chance to turn the tables, to make the impossible possible. Your chance to step into a world where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but your everyday reality. It's time to take the reins, to be the architect of your own success story. Our AI-powered investment algorithm is your golden ticket. It's your secret weapon in the battle against financial stress, your key to unlocking a wealthier, more prosperous future. It's more than just a tool, it's a game changer. And the best part, it's right at your fingertips. All you need to do is click the link in the description below. That's it. One small step for you, one giant leap towards financial freedom. Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. Join us on this incredible journey, and let's inspire and ignite success together.